Hello everyone. For today's course, we're going to learn the geometric rules and the logic of model making for Rhino 6. As some student said, even though he have been using Rhino for years, but still his or her design still look not very nice. They can't figure out why all the model they make just look not very nice. So I will introduce you some tips for how to organize your model and make it follow some geometric rules and make it look nice. So let's get started. Just like if you want to draw the contour shape, context or texture, whatever, if you just draw like this, like that, okay, and yeah, they look messed up. So you start to adjust the control point. Right? Okay, and then half hour, 1 hour, 2 hour pass. You still look messed up. No matter how long you adjust the point, if you just depends on your instinctive or a feeling, you might have a well organized shape, but yeah, that change is very small, I think. So what are we gonna do? Like that, you open your control point. All the control point spread away randomly. There's no room to restrict them. And then this one. Yep. All the control point follow some rule, even though there's not much change of this control point's position. I just copy again and again, but still look better than this one. Now we look this one. So how I can draw the shape like that? I open the control point. You see? All the point not on their original position, but just follow some rule. So what kind of rules it would be? Okay, I will show you. Close the control point. You draw a line here, and draw a line here, draw a line here, and there. Okay, now you need to set up some rules. It's like, okay, I'll open the control point again, and click near point snap. I set up one rule. It has smallest distance at the bottom. Like that. Use the near point snap. If you want to make your rules you set up more clear, you can even set up the same distance. Alright. Now, this one, we make this control point array remain the same. Now I move this one. If I set out a rule, this control point interact to this intersection point. Open the intersection point. Okay, already open. Click. 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 Okay, now this one, the same. And this one, I need to make it nice. Click Shift. Move it to interact point. Now, see the effect. See? It follows some order. This order is set up by you. And clearly, it looks far nicer than you draw just randomly. Okay? Same here. If you want to draw a fabrication wall, for example, if you want to... Alright. Draw, yeah, randomly. Do whatever I want. Yeah. It didn't follow some order. That. Well, this looks messed up. But for this one, you set out some rule. Like, if I want to draw this circle, well, it's circle-like shape, not circle. I set up the middle point. Snap, 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 snap. Or this one. Snap, snap, snap. Yeah, all the circle-like shapes follow some rule formed by the all middle point of this area's edge. So it's set up by some rule. Then you put in the order. The same. For this surface, I open control point. As you see, all the control point just spilled away randomly. So some student gonna say, okay, I adjust the control point. I find a suitable way, like that. that. Still keep going. Okay, 1 hour, 2 hour passed. Still digesting. But still look not very nice or not satisfying enough. Because it didn't follow some rule. You need to set up a rule. Because it just depends on your feeling and your instinction. It might get a satisfying result, but that chance, I think, is relatively small. Then you set up some rule. Because put everything in order, it will make an ethnic feeling to some people who is watching your model. Okay, so what are we gonna do to this surface? We need to select all the points along the section line. We use this tool, selecting sector. Here, this one. And select V point. Now, all the point we need has been selected. Now we need to move this control point along the Z-axis. Why we need to just set up along the Z-axis? Because it can form a tangent angle along all the section line. Now, set Z-axis. So we snap this point. Now this surface looks far nicer than the original one. All the surface smooth and followed by some rule. That's the geometric rule and the logic of model making with Rhino 6. That will be all for today. If you have any question regarding to this video, please leave it on below comment. If you want to know more detail and gain more modeling skills, please come to our website, RhinoArchSchool.com. First link in the description. I will show you how to do this. Open your window and type RhinoArchSchool.com. Get close to look all courses we provide, from beginner to advanced model maker. The first one is unlimited course package. The second one is monthly payment course. They are the same course, but just different purchasing method. Learning this course, you will get a step-by-step approach to learn how to model organic architectures, parametric architectures through interesting cases. And the famous architects project includes Zaha Hadid Architects Project, Mad Architects Project, Biachinko Architects Project, Shigeru Ben Architects Project, and so much more. Join our professional course and design your own world. Also, if you want to have files or YouTube tutorials, you can get them by becoming our blog members. You can find the link in the description. I would like to thank all of our blog membership supporters. It really helps us create even better and more tutorials. If you like these tutorials and would like to see more tutorials, please click the like button and make sure you subscribe our channel, as we publish the new videos 2 times a week. Thanks for watching.